On behalf of members of the MIO, to say a few things about today. We had called our supporters and Kenyans in general to come out in the numbers and show displeasure at the way in which affairs of our country are being run. There are major issues in contention here. One is the cost of living. Two was the issue of formation of the Independent Electoral Commission commissioners. Three was the issue of electoral justice, including auditing of the server. Four was the issue of interference with the opposition political parties which are members of the MIO coalition. These are the issues in contention. I want to take this opportunity to thank Kenyans throughout the country who heeded our call and turned up in large numbers to express themselves in a way that they could. Information that we have is that the protests are successful countrywide. In most of major towns, in almost most of the counties, there are people who turned up and expressed their displeasure at the way things are being done in our country. Therefore, we are very grateful to them, and we want them to stay tuned, because this is just but the beginning of a long struggle which will end up, obviously, in victory for the people of our country. Those three issues in contention are not negotiable. One is the issue of the cost of living.